G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my channel, the Car Wash Chronicles. We are at my latest car wash. It's my car wash number 5. And I just installed the latest and greatest technology from MONEXgroup, the touchless payment processors. It's the latest and innovative technology you can put at your self-serve car wash. And today I'm gonna show you why. So let's go check it out. But before I show you, I'll give you a quick rundown tour of my brand new 5th car wash. So let's go on inside the motor room. You've all seen this before. Well, I hope so anyway. We have my triple foam. We have the soap brush. We have the tire cleaner. We got all the air dryers up top there. You can see them looking like spaceships. All the brand new pumps and motor system, all brand new hoses, everything. So all is working fantabulous so far, and I cannot complain. So we got 2 build changes. We got all the tools. We got other junk down here. We have a whole bunch of soap. And it's, speaking of soap, it's about time to change it out. Must have been busy, so that's a good thing. We got 4 vacuums over there. Probably put in 1 or 2 more once the time is needed. Customers are coming in. We like it. Bays are filling up. Brand new vacuums on $2 for 5 minutes. It's 2025, people. Nice and new. Welded stainless steel bars around the edges so they can't use the bolt cutters to cut the thin one that it came with, so we're always looking to make things stronger. We've got the security bars on here, and it's pretty solid. Very happy with it. All right, guys, so that's enough of the tour of the car wash. You've all seen it before. Now it's time to get down to business. Well, guys, without further ado, here it is, the latest from MONEXgroup. This terminal is going to speak for itself, but let me show you exactly what it can do. First of all, I got to open up this security lock that I put on, obviously. So let's open that up so we can get a much better look at this beautiful thing. So I just want to say that I was one of the first to actually get these new terminals. You all saw my other videos, hopefully showing the other original MONEXgroup terminals. These are kind of like just a updated version. They're a lot more bigger, but if you're concerned that it's too big and it won't fit on the faceplate or the add-on box or whatever, that's okay, because they do come in a smaller size, I believe. That's what they did tell me. I just opted in for the much bigger screen because I had the room on my bill acceptor, and a nice big screen is kind of good because when you get customers with some poor eyesight, maybe it's going to help them out a little bit. For now, we're at countdown just like my other ones. We have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can make these whatever you want. You can customize the whole screen. You can put your car wash logo here. You can pretty much do whatever you want with these terminals. For me, I didn't exactly choose to do anything fancy. I don't have a franchise car wash. I don't have a branded car wash. Yes, they all look pretty similar. I just do big letters saying car wash at the top. It's not like Chris's Car Wash or Bubble Up Car Wash. It's just car wash. People know what that is, and people don't care what the name is, frankly. So, you know, you can customize the home screen, get your logo, whatever you want. So I know there's a lot of car washes out there that do that. So it'll be cool to kind of put, you know, a little logo at the top so people know they're at your car wash. So I'm in the furthest bay from the motor room. This is a 6-bay car wash. You got bay 1, 2, you got the motor room, and then 3, 4, 5, 6. So this bay is the furthest away from the motor room. And the one thing that I love about these terminals, I'm going to open it up and show you the back. So let's go ahead and open this up, is that each terminal has its own antenna. And it can run on cellular, it can run on Wi-Fi. So if you have Wi-Fi, you can do that. But I like to be on cellular. Picks up the cell tower. So you can see in the corner there, it says 4G. And that's always got a full bar. That's because each terminal has its own antenna. The other one has one antenna inside the motor room connected to that little black modem box. And it has to reach the end bay. And sometimes it would struggle. But that problem is now gone because each terminal has its own antenna to it behind each bay. So that's what I love about it. Here's the next bay. That's got its own antenna behind there. So you never have a signal problem. It always works. And you can see right now the signal is completely full. And this is the furthest bay from the motor room. So I just love that about it. No more error issues or no communication error issues. So again, just like the other ones, these ones accept debit card, credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, tap, swipe, insert, whatever else you have to pay with. Doesn't take cash. That's what this is for. But anything to do with card or phone, you just tap it on, it'll start the bay. But that's enough talking about it. Let's demonstrate this thing. All right, now for the big demonstration. Here we have my debit card. Let's do $4 because I'm a cheapo, even though it's going back in my own pocket. Connect in, tap it on, card read okay, processing. Keep in mind, this is the furthest bay, not that it matters. And there we go, 6 minutes, $4, rinse. Beautiful.
Welcome to the MONEXgroup booth. We have our brand new payment processing device, specially designed for the car wash space. The fabulous PayPro Max. Unbelievable. Let me show you what it can do. Right now we have an integration where you can add your car wash logo right there, so your customers are feeling real cool watching your logo while they pay for their car wash. Hit activate, it's gonna charge a pre-auth. This is for count up. You can mobile tap, there's my fiance on my phone. It's gonna be approved. Now what's gonna happen is the car wash is gonna allow you to wash as long as you like. You wash your car, you make it beautiful, you can continue, you don't have to worry about having to tap again for another 2 minutes or something. It'll keep going. As soon as you're done, you're gonna hit stop. You're gonna hold the stop button so it doesn't actually accidentally push stop. Once you're done, please wait, processes your transaction. Right away it's approved, and there you go. It's gonna give you a QR code for a e-receipt. I can scan the QR code, get a receipt directly to my phone, or punch in my phone number, just like that. Account Up payment app right there.
And as you can see down here, that's actually a camera. So I don't have mine connected. There's a way to connect it, but I don't really feel it's that necessary. But anyway, it's a great terminal, very solid, very secure, great for the winter time, great for the summertime. Swipe, insert, tap, all the functions you can need. It's not going to go out of date with just the swipe. It's just a beautiful terminal. Customers have loved it. No issues yet. Very, very happy with them. Good job, MONEXgroup. And there's really so much more you can do with these terminals. I'm not even using them to the fullest extent. You can start it remotely. So if you're at home and you get a customer that has a problem, you can just tell them to move bays and you can start the bay for them. I know they can do that. So there's so many features and it's really not missing anything that you're going to want on a touchless payment processor. And if you're interested in putting these at your self-serve car wash, click the link in my description, fill out the form. Their customer service is second to none. Any problems, any issues, any questions, they're the best over there. They're willing to help you out and they always pick up the phones. So give them a call, get them at your business today. I'm Chris Atkins with Car Wash Chronicles. See you all next time.